Let me show you how I made this Vikings Axe fridge magnet using AI. And the best part is, you don't need any design skills. Let's get started. Head over to meshy.ai and open My Workspace. Select Image to 3D, upload the image you want to turn into a 3D model, and hit Generate. That's it. In just a few seconds, Meshy AI automatically creates a clean 3D printable model for you. From here, you can resize the model, download it as an STL or OBJ file, or send it directly to Bamboo Studio for 3D printing. Now open the model in Bamboo Studio, scale it up to 1,750%, rotate it 125 degrees on the Y-axis and -45 degrees on the Z-axis, then reposition it so it fits perfectly on the print plate. Next, move the model down about 40 millimeters on the Z-axis. This creates a flat surface so the magnet sits flush on your fridge. Add a cylindrical negative part, resize it to your magnet size, move it to Z equals 0, and place it on the flat surface. Duplicate it if you want extra magnet strength. After that, paint the model with your colors for multicolor printing. Enable supports and set the top Z distance to 0.3 millimeters so they're easy to remove. Slice the model, send it to your printer, and you're done. Once printing is finished, insert the magnets. And your Vikings Axe fridge magnet is complete. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more AI-powered 3D printing content, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what should I make next. See you in the next video.